Thema chero kere mbetekere nkubwatoke ni kirente tochia Meru TV rukiri wambita muthoni wa kiramana tariki 16 achia mweri wa 10 mwaka eno yoturi ywa 2025 rukiriro ukurukari atia anonturukiriro kwa iruthari membetekere nkunenkerie chite tauri akana ichunkwa obura chithirite chitukinyela methene yetu ya ndeto cha Meru TV rukiri tukiambiriria na riboti chia kieba chiegora urari mutongero wa kiama kia ODM Raila Odinga rombere kwithira akino kamuthenya ywa igoro ntupurabure kirwa kirore ani rais wa nthiguru President William Ruto. Raila Odinga na ari Prime Minister na ari mubunge kiri gicigo mbunge kia Lang'ata na kinya na arari mutongeria wa kiama kiregani ni thirikari na rombete giti kia President maita jatano na kinya giti kia AU.
Nawe mutongerio kiama kia ODM Raila Odinga na atete oturo bwawe rukiriro gukira narua arethirite agitungatirwa gwankurukie bimya biere nthiguru ya India. Untubobo na bubwikiri kirore ni President William Ruto karune yawe mathaja makai.
Fellow citizens, it is with deep sorrow that I inform the nation of the passing on of the Right Honorable Raila Amolo Odinga, our former Prime Minister, Kenya's foremost statesman, and one of Africa's greatest sons.
Ni mutongeria nawe wachiari Januari tariki 7 1945 ntere cha Kisumu aria atete oturo bwawe muthenya jwa narua ena miaka 80. Mantune ja utongeria Raila Odinga na ere minister 2008 monka 2013 na kinya niwe wari mutongerio kagita gakaraja kiri icigo mbunge kia Lang'ata kuma 1992 aria atongererie gicigo mbunge giki monka mwaka jwa 2013. Nkuruki ethirite atongeretie kiama kia ODM akirujaga na thirikari.
Today the religious leaders are summoned like servants to go to State House, and they go there with prepared speeches to make. The church must speak the word of God and stand firm with the children of God.
Nkuruki Raila Amolo Odinga nethirite akirwira gitigia gutongeria nthiguru ije ja president kwa nkuruki maita jatano aria kiri kithurano kithiru arethira agicindwa ni President William Ruto na kuma au ethira akigeria giti kia chairman wa AU kira nakyo kinyakyo atethire agicinda.
We were in a very serious situation sometime last year.
Ruterene rwa kithomo Raila Odinga athomere skuru ya primary ya Union ya Kisumu na cukuru ya secondary ya Maranda na kuma au athithia kithomo kia engineering ntere cha Magdabag kithomo athithiria ome nthiguru ije ya Kenya. Atongeria kathumba ni matumite ntomwache kuboreria family ya mutongeria ujo batongeretwe ni President William Ruto na munini wawe Professor Kithure Kindiki.
There was a possibility of Kenya degenerating into a failed state.
Nkiripotera Meru TV mbita Jeff Wagitumam.
Ibeya mno mwandiki wetu wa ndeto Jeff Wagituma nyuma ya Raila Odinga akumba kwithira aitutia muthenya ywa yorone ndi siasa cha Kenya ichirigiri kumba kwithira chikia luka na njira enene kuringana na athundweria ba siasa nende baritie abakauwa mugaruko yo siasa yo kumba kwithira yugichenche na njira nene no Raila Odinga ni waromba kwithira gitongira ruterregani ni thirikari na nkuruki ni warane mutongiri wa kiama kia ODM anakinya atongere ba kiama kia ODM nende kwirigiri kumba kwithira kwino garuruku bunene kiameneki kia ODM kuringana na athundweria baba siasa barua kiama kia gikoneka nende kina weakness kana kumba kwithira agikiaga inya anontu Raila Odinga akumba kwithira agitutiana nwe arari mwari munene wa kiama kia ODM.
The long dark night is almost gone.
Nyuma ya gikukia wari minister munene ajanthiguru ni Raila Amolo Odinga ciaca cia nthiguru ya Kenya ni cirigiri gucenjia nene athuji na kinyathi ngati bawe bakiuga riu kuri na umbikani bunene kinya thirikari ya broad based kurimwo kuritanira ngui kairi kwithira Ruto riu atithira ri na mainyanja gukomandia thingati ba Raila barabara muthikaira
to engineer yawete broad based government ni Raila Amolo Odinga. So don't be surprised in 6 months time or 1 year's time kukithitha kwa cabinet reshuffle antu barabara Raila beki cabinet baete mawaonme bagekirwa bangi because again also kiuria ni atiri kanithe ngome Raila serve Ruto the same way Raila ateo yabura Raila musava
Kenya Kwanza government ikaga kuinaina niki broad based itebwa na ndibwega na ikomba kuringika no tumukurura na ukari support wayo mono.
How this works for President Ruto I don't know, but ntekuona ngome Raila ikia called to order by anyone to remain a broad based government, so that will force mtwa Ruto kuchoka ki drawing board yewe kuona nende what they can do to replace the influence Raila had.
Raila akiwatoja mutongero ra rujaira Kenya na njira ya ukoshwa thirikari ari rutererwa na thirikari bakiuga kuombeka kanyaga kagagia mutongere unge uria umba kunganira iratune biawe kumana na mirungamo yawe na kinya kirinde kia antu kira kirare nyuma yawe
kuonania upinzani burathirire inya for now atutegete upinzani bubwejete na ndikethira buri na inya kethabo kajukia gitikiu arare akyo
na tukaromba Murungu atunenkere muntu umirite yontu Raila uumba kuwatanithia Kenya yonthe na akaria thirikari yethwa ni nyilitie mwananchi wa kawaida ya icokia
kuna ribubu gikuo kia Raila ni kirigiri gukia ruku gatigati gatongere bakia makia ODM na kinya ntereire irari na thingati baba ingi gururia nuka jukio rikithathi
tia atigaite politically speaking atira igaua uni opate leader ba ODM tigirite tuwe ni Joho Narok Coast kana tigirite Oparanya kana tigirite Babu Owino kana tigirite Sifuna kana tigirite Orengo. So kukethira kwina a lot of no kingpin, especially wa Nyanza region and other regions that Raila and a lot of following.
Kenya nebetete na mbere kurikana Raila janchamba na kinya mutongero ra watirite ciaca cia Kenya antu anene akiumba kuritanira nguge na atongere banthiguru bonde te kumakania mirengo yao ya giciaca.
His ability to work with critics bawe na antu bara utikithwaniria completely aumba kuwork nabo ndoera bari niyo gisiasa naomba weka naomba all the times weka tofauti chia gisiasa kando for the benefit of the country na progress ya this country kana nthim na mugongo yoyo tu ya Kenya.
Kurukira Raila Odinga na rikeno ja mutongero retete mugaruku kathumba jande gurune bure ocia bwa bia mabibingi kuthondeko gwa katiba ya mwaka jwa 2010 gutetera thirikari cia matura gatigati ka mantu jange kathumba.
Raila Amolo Odinga na ithirite gitumi eta wa baba, let me explain, is because ibaba wa mantu maingi. First of all, Raila Amolo Odinga ibaba wa multi-party democracy. He is the father of multi-party democracy in Kenya. Number 2, he is the father of devolution, kana ibaba wa ugatuzi. So therefore yetori ubaba na ntikona musiasa ongeura au mbekia kuia in the near future au fitiri yeto baba nonto kinya critics presidents baradi taniria ngoi nabo clearly ponde be yaba iba testire na bakaigua enyewe ibaba.
Kiripota Meru TV Mbeta Mutugi Wakiambi.
Ranthiguru ya Kenya itena mbere na kumba kwithira Ranthiguru ya Kenya yetete na mbere na kumba kwithira kithikira no ntubagi ku kera Raila Odinga nende atongereka thomba bakuma Meru ibachumirite na kumba kwithira bakiari na kuona na kuwa Raila abora rombete kwithira kiwatila Antoine ne siasa cha Kenya na Kinyaba bainge bagwete Raila arari nchamba untubura nende butumite gutwike ote mutungi ombika kwithira kijana gwikirira tubera Raila ararombira rombete kwithira gekira siasa ene.
Orera Kenya rena kieba nyuma ya gutaukirwa ni mutongerio wa kiama kia ureani na thirikari Raila Amolo Odinga. Riu akariba Meru kuma thochi mwanka ntonyeri ni bawatanirite na Kenya bangi kulika na mutongerio uyu. Araba muwetete ya mutongerio rari na gitumi noro raretete waruruku Kenya irio siasa cia mutipate.
Pole muno Kenya yetu twina yenene nondu bwopotesa mutongeria uria turari nawe urorete na demokrasi Kenya uria baruja ira demokrasi kuma samani na antu bara beto bakireitu murungi na bakitobui manyara na bange bararuira demokrasi monka na arua turatuika batwe katukwaria mantu kimencho tutena muntu oturauria
ukagita karangu atire ripoti ya kwamba Raila Odinga twe mutongoria wa oregani kana mutongoria agwatithana ginte gwa kurike kumo kana ukwe tutiga mbegirwe ndanyere kama no koroni akwa no ntukuririkana mantu mara Raila Odinga turuthirite Raila Odinga no thaterete demokrasia yoneka Kenya bya mavinge biaya Raila Odinga no thaterete antu bamindia rendio cia rugo mbinge Raila Odinga no thaterete thirikari akaunti ira tukurira matunda thirikari ya cia masinani mbeca cia ndibobwa Raila Odinga noe athetera antu kagita karaba inyere tumoi bategerua kwethwa bana buru bakwaria
the chairman wa ODM wa ward na Raila akwa ntira iwa boga no ntunda yetu kamurugamia 2027
the father of democracy au kwaso nya democracy yongo ni inyelikite Kenya
to ODM agwite no ntondo na ndi thigari yani kinya yani no naende kinya metwegaitia no ntonwa athera atuka bara thirikari-ini
Nkuluki barua Raila araretwe kire siasa cia Kenya na kugethirwa kwina waruruku bunene ara siasa iji kwirigirwa kuyukia mukondo yungi jo mweru
siasa ya Kenya na ndi kugaruka siasa ya Kenya irari Raila Odinga na ndi kugaruka buru siasa ya Kenya kugaruka no nturi Raila Odinga rira atonyere ki broad based ire William Ruto bagwatana ikwaere na ndi ruterwa Nyanza na ruterero Western ba support Ruto thuru Raila Odinga batina ndi Raila atioka iri kiuthe kiu gikoma muno nonga bakarenthi guru ndruengi mbondi bandru Kenya bubweru no tunande mantu jangarate ne mantu jangaratanire siache Kenya rari Raila Odinga
jaiji algo irakari na baregira support ni rathire nanga bangi bagira bayaro
ko Raila ki pave way ki youth leaders da yika to kwerio to kurita utongoria bwa antubara akuru utongoria na tureta antube na vision
amona bo ni baritete mbetwa kire atongeria barabati bakiama kioregani na thirikari araba bauretio tiela ni bakwendelesya ngwe ya mukabora ilo amona kuona kiama kikiti kwaragana buru
tumembe twagondombe kire atongoria betu baendwa ni Sifuna na ntu bangi batigirite kwa opposition tafadhali bagwatanire ba unite purpose ya Raila Odinga no ntu bakumwagiteyo baendelee kukarangangare bakoswe thirikari na baendelee kuwa ba opposition nikenda turuthiro mantu mega tamu Raila Odinga ruthaga
arabati kwa benyu bare ruterero opposition tukubaromba me abaregeria barungame gwagu no ntu Kenya kaga opposition tutidi bwega turomba bakare gwagu banyerie gwagu bagwatire gitegwa bora ira agwatirite
babwende bakaya kugwatania na ngirande ciwanga ciamani endirio bakame abo bakarotha ODM bakarotha kiama nontu tio twina amacinani tutitweterete mantu kuma iguru
kiripotera Meru TV mbita wa mwende wa Laiboni
na tukerekana na riboti nende chegi ku kia Raila Odinga mongi yotembete ntame thokoni ya Kipkona ire nterecha Yembe Central arombete kwithira mongi yukyo nyangia into bya antu kathumba na antu banende bakiare bagwete batiba tene into bya gutumira guntuga kumama na kinya a certificate chocho mbete kwithira achikiwa ta mongi nende baromba antu awendu buboya uchimire na kumba kwithira babatetherike ndo utire kinya kwithira ibakona kimamo ake na kinya into bya kure riboti ya mwandiki wetu wa Ndeto Mukiri Wankunja
Mwanki nĩ yotemete ntame thoko-inĩ ya Kipkona arayũmbĩte kwethia yũtiĩte nyũmba nkabũciĩte na mũgana yointo kathomba ira ni nyumba cia kũrara na ingĩ cia biashara na indi akariba kũndũ kũu bakiwa nĩ bahĩrĩri into bionthe buru na bakiwa batikũmenya kinya kaumo ka mwanki yo
nyumba ikoya matress ikoya mauguyana yakoya membinya crucial document sikuera ko bamba uthenya ba kuerwa ni bande kana nya document cia skuru na thai batena mbele wala nyuma
antu bakainge totito tengua kake mama koere kwa thira na ngari iringeroe timbo seke cia babora simwanki simamoto bawire ngare ni thoki banki yoteke thio kinyauyo kinyire batu
ende ori unibonekete kwa lotela kiara kire thirikari ya kaunti ya Meru ire tongoretwe ni gavana Mutumatwe Thingia nonto bokwithe otizima moto irere yakwe nonto kinyere ya mawa barua ati nibereri ko baringira thimu kende kinya hinde berwa ya mawa ni thoki nere kamba kwithire yeterwa no monka yume Meru town
fire brigade re nekayo to mo Meru ka balu mawa kiori yako kembele ke deoria mawa kewe ko ne thoki ya mawa fire brigade expire rate ya ko thoka re nere ko ngare ne mwesimiwa ono to graibo no to ibise ke bwana na kothe nyo tamwe etotete no ibwa kwa ibiketa muno wa toriye to egero no bomba otorutherangwe
inga thimo Kipkona kwa twiko tengari ma yomba kuya etethia antu baba Kipkona imantu ya naibo sana ntekubo kwetarie to renge ndibo kwetarie to aibo kwetho tengari reactive thai
Ere mbere ngukire atwe kuringira antu bazima moto no ntingu kare namba yo nande kuringa thimu imbetekero obisine yo ndero ndaboria mbere bokwero Kipkona ikokoya bambira iba kwerwa na ngare erere mawa ne thoki na botoma na ngare mutindo ya kori mwaki ndasioria ngare kiwe kuma mutindo kinya Kipkona kori mwakire nyumba utete asieko ya siathira
ona fire brigade firefighters utebo tuina boyerie ira yari mawa batu tuhererwa ketho katatimene yeywe kuyerekere kweka nyumba gange gaerete ara amuna kwethirwa kaerete ye mawa kuringirwa thimu yatikire almost 2 hours beyire kuoria makara imbi yateria
Deu bakiromba antu bawendi boboya amona atongoria kubatethia
iromba renge niki antu bawendi boboya na kinya atongeri barabonde baritene kuma KMCA, MP, women rep, senator, na governor. Baya bolelia nto babonde baere di nyumba. Nonto mwankata ito kia kolelia. Ana bateta skuru koyo.
Uno ndo bambare. Bototo no tethio. To batu ta keta muno.
Ndo bobo bati wa batengwa, batembi, batinya ngwere ko kanere ko. Ineirenge utecho ana bateta skuru. Bia korewa. Just imagine bikorea bira bikorui. Bia mwana korea oro otebio eta krombero bia korea. Ando be wendi weya nyabongo iberu yau na kinya anene beto baiberu bonde ndene kaunti ya Meru.
Nikiripotera Meru TV kuma Kipkona Gembe Central Beta Mukiri Onkonja
Ibeya muno mwandiki wetu wa Ndeto Mukiri wa Nkonja no ntubariboti una njira indiku kirekyo mika kuonaniria uthunthwire cukuru ya Meru University ya Nchiro Vice Chancellor wa cukuru jikene ya Professor Rumana Sathia mbona rombete thirikari akomba kwithira bagita na mbere na kuongela kigina kya mitaratara ya gutikira ntukembethe na kinyari toni bakumba kwithira bakigunika na mitaratara inkuru kinende aritwa iboro tukomba kwithira bagichumini na kurutira ngwe chianjara kenda kinya bethira abakiumba kwiwatira ambecha mwichone yuantuku kuringana na kamura chirombe tukwithira chigikinyia akiri maonanire yanende bari wete bena moroto yo kwagirithia na kurugi wukire ndukembethe na gutigira kinyi bawita kumba kwithira bakithomera nthiguru chiao meriboti ya mwandiki wetu wa Ndeto Andans uturia wa Thirinja.
Skuru ya Meru University ntere chanchiro no atete na mbere kumba kwithira kithara kire manto igi othuthuria bakire kire kiume kire kiomono kyo kapitano kyo othuthuria kikomono kire kyatongorete Vice Chancellor Guru Professor Romana Sathia.
So we are basically trying to push forward
our idea of RISE, that is research, innovation, commercialization and extension. We believe that whatever we do research in must have some output which is useful to the community. Those are the innovative products, but also touching community, that is extension. And so we celebrate this day, and we are very happy that we have had our council represented here, we have had our partners represented here, and that's what we are celebrating together. So we look forward even to having startups.
And this is the way to go. This is going together with the help of the academic staff. The academia line is not now going to be seen as just theoretical, but we are going to put it into action. As a council, we have put the management so that we have helped them to make sure that this Innovation Week and other activities go on very well.
Kuringana na Professor Manaza Dhiambo wite thukuru ende ombete kwetheginga matale kathomba kirimanto yayegi othuthuria ora bombete kwethira bakibwithie njuiciere kumania na mira na into bingi kathomba bira bombete kwetha kibwithie kumania na mira.
3 weeks ago I sent my team to Kenya Bureau of Standards really to check the possibilities of recognizing some of these innovative products that we produce here. And the result is that they are opening up. If you talk about Mira-infused bags, that is like a tea bag, they are already taking very serious action, intentional in terms of accrediting it. If you talk about the camel milk and the very many products that you have seen here in the exhibitions, all these are being discussed. And that's why, you know, even here I think we are the first university to have an office that is really identifying the potential of the IP value of the products that we have and trying to advise them to go to KIPI so that they are patented, so that they are ready for the market. So we are doing that. As far as funding is concerned, we live in a very difficult world today. The economy, the money is not there. But you can see we have assembled all kinds of people. Meru University is one of the pioneer universities in this country that is working closely with Kenya National Innovation Agency, Kenya.
I think the good news about whether there are unique models overseas that will suit Kenya is the answer is no. The Kenyan model has to be the right one for Kenya. And I think what's really exciting is the opportunity to learn from other organisations, other ways of doing things. And there's a really exciting entrepreneurship space in the universities in the UK. But those aren't ready to roll for Kenya. Kenyans are in charge of finding out what works for you. And I think that's what's really important, because when we're bringing over university administrators, they're learning from Kenya. And I think what's the issue, going back to that point, I think it's about understanding what's unique, the opportunity and the challenge to the individuals and the innovators here. That means that your business idea has a USP, a unique selling point, and that's understanding the context. And I think we go back to, is there technology in the world to diagnose cancer? Yes. Is it right for the Kenyan market? No, it's too expensive. So what's the innovation? The innovation is the price point.
Nkiripotera Meru TV kumatiane Betanda Msimoturia Wadhirinja.
Nibaka sana mutegeri wa Meru TV rukirikile kitendeka 20 ila kinyuma ya thaimo chero kire kumba kwithira chirwa matwa igira gatante chunchike tuke mbere akio kumenyithia kiri ndeto chia Meru TV rukiri ndendekete kuraya ankethira ngicho kire kiri kumurika mangatheti wendira twetete na mbere na kumba kwithira twina kwithikira kunene ni untu bogutiwa ni Raila Odinga kuringana nende na muchie kana familia Raila Odinga iraugire Raila Odinga na andikite will au endiraga kwa ombe kwithira akithikwa agatigati kamathaa 70 na yaili kunende akethira akithikwa kwa ntuku gatigati mathaa 70 na yaili unit ku ithatu na ibu ombete kwithira akiuga nende mwiri yawe yiroketi gukinya kinthiguru ya Kenya na rakieni ne kya JKIA ni ombete kwithira yokya mukira nterira na toketa na mbere no kumenyethia bro kuwitete na mbere no tunende no mwanka bwe kwithira bagiti ya Raila Odinga ombete kwithira akiuga mikakati no kaite na mbere na kumba kwithire kibwitho kenda gutira mathiko yawe ya kumba kwithire ya kibwithikani kwa mathaya ombete kwithira akiuira kuringana na ripoti lecho tukijela kwitwika atirero yo ntuko ya Jumaa iko announced a public holiday irinjire moya kumba kwithira tukimuna Raila Odinga inchokerete na jange nyamengi kiri mangatheti yetu kiri The Daily Nation na kinya kiri The Standard kinya kethira na gatheti cho yele andonere chingi kuo ni cheki ku kya Raila Odinga Odinga na runu rwawe kumendera acherirwe omwanka akaiteneka siasa mwanke goro rirarombere kwithira aitutia